What's going on, FMFAM? It's your boy coming back with another video. We get to work on a car finally this week. Haven't done much this week except diag, decline. So if y'all want to see what I'm fixing to do, stay tuned because it's gonna be fire. Okay, now before the video begins, that guy over there is being super noisy. I don't know what is wrong with him, but him right there, y'all see him. But anyways, we have some components right here that we are going to be replacing on this vehicle behind me. As y'all see, it's a Juke, okay? Let's get to work. And then we're gonna grub on some turkey later on today too. Y'all might get to see that. Maybe, I don't know. I'll show y'all my plate. How about that? We're gonna start with the tie rod end first. Secret, guys, just crack that jam nut loose. Just leave it loose right there. That'll tell you where to set the new tie rod in, so you ain't guessing. And that way your alignment isn't too much off when you go to adjust it. And then don't mix up the two sides, so you can flip them and swap them. Yeah, okay, now I did sell these just as preventative maintenance, because the boots are starting to get dry rot and crack and stuff. So, you know, we just mentioned it to the customer. It's up to the customer whether they want to buy it or not. As y'all saw, we provide video in that short that y'all seen. But I'll show y'all. Kind of hard to pick up. Y'all see those cracks right there? Those will eventually tear, and it'll leak out all the grease. So we cut them a deal if we do all suspension work together rather than separated. It's called something like overlap. Like on this one, see it's a little bit more worse. Like I said, guys, we provide a customer with video of what we're showing them, just to mention it. It's up to them whether they want to buy it or not. Y'all might say, oh, this was still good, but guys, I just mentioned it because of that. And he said, you know what, let's replace it. Got him a deal. Since it is overlap, since we're already in the area, so let's get a brand new tie rod in. And these come with brand new nylon nuts. Daniel. Got an MILWAUKEE. We're about to test this shit out. My battery level. Oh, you ain't no fucking way. way. Who? M12? There ain't no way.
Hit it a little bit. You know how much pressure we got over there? I think it was taking it off. Put your hands on it. We need a better. Oh my god!
Is that M18? Beat up the bolt. Beat up what bolt? Look.
Oh, the M18 will loosen your asshole.
Well, that's what we're trying to see.
Yeah, I got in trouble for saying this.
That's
Fuck.
a half inch. This is M18. Half inch. 3.
Fuck.
3/8. You got 3/8?
Oh, you have one? I know you have one.
You don't have the M18 3/8?
Why? Holy. What? Look at it. You can't compare fucking apples and oranges. You gotta be apples to apples.
Stupid.
He said M18. You weren't that descriptive. He said M18.
We only fucking 3/8.
He said M18.
It don't matter. I only had two
Here,
bars.
Octavio. There, look. Just use this one.
Guys, they try busting out a half inch. Of course, a half inch is gonna take it off. Come on now. Let's see.
I have a stubby too. I have a 12 amp.
Is it stubby?
No.
Oh, they're the same.
I just have, like, all my batteries are 1 and 2
Hold up.
bar.
Wait. What amp hour is that?
6.
6? You got one a little smaller?
Here, this is
This
the
is
5. This is the 5.
That's 5. So we got 5 amp hour against 5 amp hour. Let's see.
Full battery.
Fuck, I need a fucking damn.
This right here, shit on Matco all day.
I guess.
That's why he's wearing a Max sweater.
Looks like I gotta buy new tools.
Well, they're only going to give you a $25 credit for that Matco. That's damn near Harbor Freight.
That's what. Hold on. That's what
I bet the Hercules didn't.
That was wrong. That was for entertainment fee.
That's when I fucking the stubby 3/8, then the normal size 3,
And then none of them.
and then my MacBook 20 volt that kept breaking. Then the Milwaukee.
The Stubby doesn't have that much time.
Huh?
The Stubby doesn't have that much time.
That one.
No, I know, but
Oh, I'm
you guys
talking about my
tried.
stuff.
I know, but you guys just tried the other one before this.
That one had a 4 bar run for $20.
You wanted to, because that one had 600 foot-pound output. 600. And I wanted to put his stubby against it. Nah.
Okay, tighten a tire on my half inch and my little 3/8 and take it off.
No.
I bet the Hercules one had.
Who the what I needed?
The Hercules would.
Who the what I?
You should have bought that one first.
Oh, wait, guys. I only had 2 bars. What? When it comes to lithium ion, does it matter how many bars it has? Think about that.
I never answer to no, man, I still go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter.
Time to eat. Let's get this axle out.
Then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Alright, y'all saw, oh god, who came through, and what is that? Oh, yep. Alright guys, let's get this axle torn apart. Get this boot replaced.
Go, go, go slow, go, still go. Go, there's no hope, go, still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting. And I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever.
Alright, one down, two more to go.
I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
That's about as best as I'm gonna get it clean. I'm on the time crunch.
What you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Alrighty guys, that's gonna be it for this axle boot. I still gotta do the rears, but I'm gonna just do that off camera. If y'all can, like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, turn post notification bells on, and links in the description below for some of the tools I use, some of the equipment I use to record videos. So thank y'all, hope y'all like the video. Watch these videos right here, subscribe right there. Deuce.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's day, wake up